We get this sugar. And we got this clay. I think this is an edible clay. Got 1 spoon. We got this blue thing and orange and thing. It's like a powder. And we got brown and we got orange and green. This one's this. Okay. Let's get started. So first step, we have to get the water with this until the line here. Now, a little bit more. Now let's add this one till the line. So we add till the line. Maybe just need a little bit more. And now we add this fruit package. Oh, it smells like candy. Okay, now let's mix it. Whoa, it feels whoa. So this will be our rice for the sushi. Okay. This smells so good. Okay, so now let's add the pink one here. But first we have to add the water till the line. We have to add till you see like that line and just a little bit more. Okay. Now we add the pink one. Oh, this smells so good. I can't tell what it smells like. Just don't know what it smells like. Okay, time to mix it. Fun fact. Whoa, we have to mix it until it all goes together. So we have to make it flat until it's like this. So now we pour the water until this line. The water and push it a little bit more. Okay. Now we add this. It's like yellow orange. Now let's pour it. Oh, it's still so much here. Okay, that all now we gotta want to mix it. Mix it gently like that one until it's flat. Oh, it smells so good. I like jelly. So now it's already flat, and now let's add the water into this. That's the line. A little bit more. Okay. So now put this green one. Just put like green thing. It's like blue. Okay. Now let's mix it. Mix it slowly. So now here then you put the water to line, and this one it says there's B. Okay. So now you put this orange one. It's like for the ball in the sushi. Smells great. Now let's mix it with the spoon. Mix it gently. Whoa! Now we gonna make the ball. It's like the egg. So we get it with this. Just get it. Then you do one drop with this. Make a small drop. One by one. Ooh, that was a long one. And gently. Time to make the sushi. Ooh, okay, we have to get a little more rice. Oh, no, we have to get the more choppers. Okay. Okay, now we have to make it like a rectangle. A little bit of rectangle. Push, push, push. I have to make this bigger. Okay. This is a sticky thing. Okay. So now we're gonna make the red sushi. So we get the red thing and we paste it. And now this is our red sushi. Okay. Now let's put it here. Okay. That's too much. Okay. Now we're making the rice for the yellow one. Okay. Okay then. Now we will cut it. Okay. Ooh. Oops. How do I do this? Okay. So this is the yellow sushi. So now this is our the
Seaweed.
seaweed. Now we have to squish it until it's long, but it's like rectangle, pretty long rectangle. Now, just put it for a while. Now let's get the rice and we're gonna make the sushi. Oh, that's ginormous. Now you're going to make like a cylinder too. Okay. This doesn't even look like a cylinder. And now let's circle this. Circle.
Wrap.
We're wrapping it. Okay. Ooh, ooh. To wrap it. Okay, so now, okay. Now we're gonna put our egg ball. Whoa. It's too much, I think. So cute. No. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay, leave it there. Okay. Oh. Wait. Okay. I have to put more in. More. Still more. Oh. Okay. Here's our sushi. Our seaweed egg tower, maybe. Now we're gonna make this one. So we get the rice and make it like a circle, but a little bit flat. And that's for all today. So this is all my sushi creations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!